guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be unboxing the seasonal Junior Mints Austin minivan. Now this only comes out around every Christmas time, so it's a little bit of a collector's car, but I think it's pretty cool. So, you know, I guess we can get straight to unboxing. Anyways, Merry Christmas too. Right, now I just want to say this is a Matchbox car, not a Hot Wheels, just so you know. You might have thought it was a Hot Wheels at first, but they don't make these things. They might have special seasonal cars, but this is a Matchbox thing. So yeah, let's get unboxing. All right. It's coming out pretty good there. All right, let's move the packaging out of the way. And not gonna lie, it's very smooth and it has nice coloring. As you see right there, it's got the Junior Mint stuff. Focus please. It's got the Junior Mint stuff and Junior Mint logos, and it has some boards on the side. And yeah, it looks pretty good. The detail on the front is not as well, no headlights, and the grill is just all painted green. But that is common in toy cars today. But you know, I think it's a pretty cool car, and I can put it in some of my stop motions that I make. And yeah, Merry Christmas. It's pretty cool. It's a nice van. Again, it runs smoothly, and I think the coloring is great on it. It's a nice vibrant color. And if you have any ideas for my videos, just put them down in the comments. I could use some. It can be stop motions, animations, or just normal videos. Anyways, so yeah, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you all next video. Bye. Sneak peek of an upcoming video.